Global Peace Youth Corps Nepal, GPYC Nepal, situated at Basbari, Kathmandu, has been conducting various programs aimed for a greater good with a vision of one family under God through youth empowerment, environmental conservation, local awareness, character education, and skill development. Among all these programs, UGEN, Unified Generation, is a newly launched program that goes with the theme Empowering Youth Through Creative, Constructive, Innovative and Positive Way. It is a 3-day seminar where youth from any race, caste, ethnicity or religion can participate and gain practice-based knowledge on various contemporary issues. The seminar provides them with an opportunity to explore themselves out even within a very small time. The seminar explains them of their duties and responsibilities. We promote this through the 5W and 1H rule. Before they do anything or before we present any task or activities, we have the answers to all 5Ws and 1H. Youth empowerment is the main idea of the UGEN seminar. Unified generation, because unity is power. So we encourage team building and teamwork, where each of the team members are given equal opportunity to move forward, winning their fears and heading towards their goal for themselves, their family, their country and the entire world. Presentations and videos based on various topics, especially those that directly or indirectly are the cause of the chaos that the world has been going on, are presented by the personalities from the respective backgrounds, where they aware the youth with the issues and awaken them with the possible solutions that can be brought into practice. The participants are encouraged to utilize their skill and knowledge. They are motivated to share their ideas and present reflections on what did they gain from the time they invested on the seminar. We tend to improve their attitude towards the environment and towards their life. That will eventually improve their character and that will finally improve their life and the environment. We tend to inspire them towards living for a greater good with whatever they have. So we encourage their skills and the talent they possess. Therefore, there is a provision of an open stage to showcase their talent and rewarding them for their courage. There is also the provision of lunch and snacks on the appropriate time when the participants enjoy their meal with the company of their respective team members. Apart from the lectures and presentations, the recreational and refreshmental experience is provided through some games. Games which have some reason to be played. Through games, we tend to encourage teamwork and completion of the goal along with mutual cooperation and understanding. There are lectures for knowledge, presentations for ideas, performances for entertainment, an open stage for the opportunity, and games for recreation. Therefore, UGEN is an ultimate youth empowerment package where the generation gets unified for a common goal with a common perspective and work with a positive attitude with their creation and innovation for the construction of a better nation, a better world to live. We are one generation. We all are same. We all should be unified. For that, there is unified generation because we are, yes, we are one family under God.